Hey guys, what's up? I'm Grace and welcome back to Everyday Barbie. Today, I'm fixing up Christy. If you don't know Christy, she is a character in my doll series Everyday Adventures. She is one of my favorites. She goes back to almost the very first episode. She's a very special character. A few of my characters have gotten upgrades recently, so I figured it's about time we give Christy one. So I went ahead and got her a made-to-move body. That is one thing that I really love is for dolls to have more articulation. She doesn't have a whole lot. So I went ahead and bought the Barbie Looks number 3 doll, and I'm hoping that she will be a good match. I wanted to go with this one because she has the same body type as Christy. So let's get this doll out of the box. Here she is out of the box. She's actually so adorable. I'm almost sad that I have to take her head off. So I know the skin tone is not going to be perfect. Christy's pretty pale. She's a little more pink. It's not perfect, but it's definitely not bad. This looks a little weird. So Christy is the Fashionista number 47 or Fashionista Kitty Cute doll. I had wanted her for so long and she was a little out of my price range on Amazon. Back then I thought $12 was a lot for a Barbie doll. Luckily, I waited a little bit and I found her at my local Mark store for half that price. That was before I had my channel, so I have always loved Christy. I've always loved her look. I think she's a very unique doll. I love getting to use her in my videos. Okay, so she has her head on. It's not a terribly noticeable difference. On camera, you can barely tell at all. It's just a little bit pinker. I think it's gonna be okay. Only other problem is this. Her head is really loose, so I think it's because the neck peg's slightly smaller than the other one. So I might just put some electrical tape around it to help it kind of stay in there more, so I gotta take her head off once more. I don't know how well that's gonna work, but we're gonna stick it on and see. This should do it. So that's an easy fix, to fix neck pegs that are too small, although that does not happen very often, so. But she's all fixed up. She has a new body. Whoops. She's gonna have to learn how to use it. I can't let this perfectly good Christy body go to waste, so we're gonna stick her head on here. And now I can still use this doll as an extra or a new character in my videos, so nothing wasted. Let's focus on Christy. So she has a new body, check, but she needs a little fixing up. She's been around. So looking at her hair, it's nice and long. It's part of who Christy is. I want to keep it that way. The ends are really frayed. It's a little bit old. So I'm gonna start by conditioning her hair to see what needs trimmed and what I can leave. Well, let's head to the sink. So it's pretty obvious what I'm doing here. I'm rinsing her hair out and adding in some conditioner and brushing it out. Her hair is all conditioned, and then this is what we are left with. She just has a lot of frayed ends. I'm just gonna trim the edges. So we just kind of got the gross ends off, and I feel like, I don't know, maybe I'm weird, but Christy is a quirky character. The frizziness just kind of adds to her, so I think it's okay to leave a little bit on there. So I don't want to do anything with her eyes. The eyes are good. The one thing I'm not wild about is her freckles are very, very unnatural looking. They kind of look like they're just stamped on. They're all very uniform. So I do want to remove them and put some new ones on. So I'm actually just using some nail polish remover, and it actually worked pretty well. And Christy's face is all cleaned up. Now I'm just gonna get some different colored browns of acrylic paint. I'm gonna mix up the color I want to use for her freckles. I'm going to be using a pin to apply her freckles. It really works well because it's so small. I did try my tiny paintbrush, but the pin just made them look a little more natural, I think. Okay, Christy's freckles are done. They honestly look the same as they did before, but now I know that I put them on there. Oh well. I'm gonna paint her nails a nice carrot orange. And now that those are dry, I'm gonna go over them with a coat of the gloss Mod Podge. Now that our nails are dry, I also want to give her some earrings. And then I do want to try and give her these little arrow earrings that are actually mine. I feel like these could have been cute, but they're just too big. So I am just going to be using the little mini hoop earrings that I made for Barbie. I will put a link to the video right up here so that way you can check out how I made these. They are super easy and they look so cute. Now that Christy is all fixed up, she does need to put on some clothes that fit her personality better. I really do love this outfit on her. She looks very nice, but it really doesn't fit who she is. I do have this one outfit that I think would look really cute on her, and maybe with a bucket hat. So I'm just gonna try this on and see how she looks. I feel like this look really does fit Christy. I almost feel like Christy being able to be more poseable kind of makes her look a little more grown up even. And I actually really love this outfit on her. Now this next look is very Christy-ish. It's a lot more laid back, quirky like her. I really love this outfit. It's so cute. So guys, I don't want you to get too hyped up or anything, but I do have some big plans for Christy coming up in the future here. So if you aren't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. So yeah, get kind of excited. And Christy's last look, the sweater I made for myself, my mini Grace doll. I really love how it looks on Christy. I love how the sleeves are baggier on her. And so that is the new and improved Christy, guys. I really love that she can go in different poses now. I just feel like it's a whole new Christy. I'm really thinking that I should make a room for Christy. What do you guys think? Let me know if you want me to make a room for Christy. Thanks so much for watching how I restyled her and fixed her up. And I'll have more videos coming next Friday. Bye.
It was just a normal day. I was getting my regular 10 hours of sleep. The sun was already up, but something felt different. What's wrong with me? I knew as soon as I went to put my feet on the floor, something was wrong. Oh my gosh. Why did my knee do that? You'd never experienced anything like this. It was quite shocking. It's broken. My arm too. Both my arms. I can move. Once it had settled in that something incredible had happened, I went to try my first step. I'm doing it! This must be what it's like. I can do it.